Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to make your Wix website mobile friendly in just a few simple steps. If you are using Wix, you already know how easy it is to design websites, but optimizing for mobile is crucial. So let's get started. First of all, log into your Wix account with your Gmail. Now let's and go to the now go to the Wix editor. Now let's optimize the layout. Wix automatically adjusts your design for mobile, but sometimes elements may look off. Simply drag and reposition text, images and buttons to make everything look clean and user friendly. To enhance user experience, Wix offers some great mobile-friendly settings. Click on Mobile Tools. And enable like a quick action bar, back to top button and collapsible menu for easier navigation. Next, optimizing text and images. Make sure your text is readable. Increase font size like that. And ensure images fit well within the mobile screen. Avoid large, high-resolution images that can slow down loading item. Before publishing, always preview your site. On different devices, click the preview button and check how it looks on a mobile screen. You can also use your phone to test navigation buttons and loading speed. Final step. Once you are happy with the changes, click Save or Publish to make your mobile-friendly site live. And that's it. Now your Wix website is fully optimized for mobile users. This tutorial keeps it simple and beginner friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more how-to videos. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment if you have any questions.